Part 2, the humbucker. It's closely related to the P90 because whenever Seth Lover developed this, he was trying to make a P90 that was quiet. Here's how the thing works. We have our two coils. There's traditionally going to be a slug coil and then the adjustable pole piece coil. Like the P90, on the bottom, there's a magnet. It looks like this. It does have, just like any magnet, a polarity, but its polarity isn't top and bottom. Its polarity is front and back. Traditionally, whenever you put together a humbucker, the north side is going to face the slug coils. When we wire up a humbucker to get full output, and what we truly think of as the humbucker sound, we wire them in series. We've got our two coils here that are wound to the same amount, roughly 5,000 winds a coil. We're going to come in from our start wire, meaning the beginning of the coil. At the finish wire over here, at the end of the coil, we're going to solder that to the finish wire of the second coil, and then solder the start to ground. What we've done is we've reversed direction. That's why we have our two opposing poles touching each one of these coils. So we have opposite direction and opposite polarity. Reverse wound, reverse polarity. That's the same thing that's happening in a humbucker. This is referred to as series out of phase. This will give you the most power out of the humbucker that you can possibly get, and it will also cancel any of the hum. Parallel is going to give you about 25 to 30% of the power because you're going to be hitting both coils at the same time. We also have those wired out of phase as well in order to buck the hum, as it were. Don't get hung up just on output impedance. Magnets, type of wire, amount of wind, size of the bobbin. There are so many things that go into this bowl of chili to make the pickup sound the way it does. If you're still with me and you're still awake, then this should help. If it doesn't, I'm sorry, watch it again.